Hello guys, I wanted to talk about something dear. So, I did figure out how to go live stream, I guess, and then boom! I lost subs. Literally. Because, I was at like 370 something, and boom! Nuh-uh, Alex. You ain't gonna reach your goal. You get in 355 subs. So, yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys, please do not unsub, because I'm gonna lose motivation, or even worse, quit YouTube. I know I'm very young and all, but I just don't want that happening. It's just, I do not want to lose subs anymore. It's really mean, to like unsub with someone who's trying their best to make videos. So please think before liking and subscribing, okay? But if it's too late, oh well. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about that. I don't want to lose subs anymore. Have a good day, I guess, or night, or evening. Yeah, bye. Also, please do not unsub. I'm trying my best to reach my goal. The goal is 400 actually, my bad. Yeah, I'm trying to reach that goal, so please, people, please like and subscribe so I can reach my goal. And thank you if you did. Bye.